Rocky the Bear, a short story to help you practice your R sound. Rocky is a brown bear. He lives in a green forest near the river. One morning, Rocky finds a red rose under a rock. He picks the rose and smells it. Refreshing, he says. Rocky wants to give the rose to his friend, Rita the rabbit. He runs through the forest, past the trees and the river. When he sees Rita, he smiles. "Here's a rose for you," says Rocky. "Thank you," says Rita. "You're a kind bear." Say the R words with me. Rocky, red, rose, rabbit. Rita, river, run, rock, refreshing, forest, bear. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow us for more fun English lessons.